Hello, today I will teach you some basic principles in web programming. I will take you step by step to run your first program in no time. First, you must download and install XAMPP, a tool for web development. This includes all the tools that you need, including Apache Web Server, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl, which is a general purpose programming language. Once you install XAMPP, run it by clicking the control panel and click the Apache Web Server. Type HTTP localhost in your browser to check if Apache is running successfully. If you see this page, then you're good to go. Next step is to browse the folder htdocs inside the XAMPP folder. In this folder, you will put all your scripts or programs. We will use HTML for our design and PHP as our programming language. PHP is very popular in creating web scripts and already included in the XAMPP. You can use any text editor that you want to create your scripts. However, in this tutorial, I use Notepad to create a sample program. Okay, I already created the Hello World program. As you can see, it is embedded in the HTML. Always use the PHP tag to incorporate the PHP to the HTML. After creating the program, save your file as PHP file. Use the extension .php. Save your file as hello.php if that is your program name. If you are using Notepad, use the Save as All files to save it as a PHP file. Okay, run the program by typing http localhost hello.php in your browser. If you see this result, then you successfully created your first PHP program. Okay, why we use localhost as our web address? Because we use the local computer. But if you already have your web hosting provider, this will be the result. For example, if your web address is mywebsite.com. Thanks for watching this video and happy coding.